Make I ask you one question. If love strong, religion fit scatter am?
Zainab, fine Hausa girl, born into strong Muslim family, and Daniel, correct Benin boy, church boy to the core. Them meet for Lagos NYSC. From small talk, na so love just enter. No be plan, no be joke. Everything's sweet until family enter matter. You want marry Christian? You want leave Islam? Daniel own no better. Pastor talk say, this kind marriage go bring confusion. Pressure from both sides, but love no gree die. Them promise each other, we go make am work, no matter wetin. Them marry quietly, but nobody know say the real problem never even start. First year of marriage, everything begin change. Ramadan reach, Zainab dey fast, Daniel dey cook, dey support.
But Christmas come.
Daniel carry her go church. She just dey sit, quiet. Family no stop. Calls, insults, threats. You don't betray us. You no belong here again. One night, a big fight burst. Not about love, about religion. Zainab sit down cry. Daniel just quiet. Truth don't show. No be religion be the problem. Now understanding. Because 2 years later, them still dey together stronger. So make I ask you, interfaith marriage for Nigeria, if fit really work or na slow heartbreak? Drop your honest opinion, make we talk true for comment.